In this exercise, we will learn the curve option. This is mostly used in Photoshop to adjust brightness and darkness. Okay, let's see how this will work. If I click on the adjustment layer here, we can see the curve option. Just click on it. And then here, we see a grid type window, and it has a curve line in it. We can see on the bottom a dark and bright side line from left to right, and here, downside to upside, and also a dark and bright line. If I drag the right side point to the left side, we can see the image is becoming brighter. And if I drag the left point to the right side, we can see the image is darker or less bright. We can also click on the inside line and drag it up and down to adjust the brightness. Okay, we have color modes here, RGB, red, green, and blue. Let's adjust the blue color in this image. Okay, so choose the blue color and increase the brightness. We can see the blue area is affected very nicely. The curve option is the best option to fix brightness in your images. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the exposure option.